severe thunderstorm warning for northeastern Douglas County in northeastern Colorado, northwestern Elbert County, western Arapahoe County in northeastern Colorado until 4:15 p.m. It's 3:27 p.m. Mountain Daylight Time. A severe thunderstorm was located near the Piney, or 19 miles south of Denver, moving northeast at 20 miles an hour. Hazard, 60 miles an hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expect damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Hail damage to vehicles is expected. This severe thunderstorm will be near the Piney around 3:35 p.m. Lone Tree around 3:40 p.m. Eastern Centennial and Park include southwestern Aurora, Arapahoe Park, and Buckley Air Force Base. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Flood and